Facts about bat. Bats are fascinating creatures with several interesting facts. Only mammals capable of sustained flight. Bats are the only mammals that have developed the ability to fly. They achieve this through their specialized wing structure, which is composed of thin, flexible membranes stretched over elongated finger bones. Remarkable diversity. Bats comprise around 1,400 species, making them one of the most diverse groups of mammals. They can be found in various habitats worldwide, except for extreme polar regions and some remote islands. Nocturnal animals. Most bat species are nocturnal, meaning they are active during the night. Their keen echolocation abilities help them navigate and locate prey in the dark. Echolocation. Bats use echolocation to navigate and hunt. They emit high-frequency sound waves and listen for the echoes that bounce back from objects, helping them build a mental map of their surroundings. Insectivores. The majority of bats are insectivores, meaning they primarily feed on insects. Some bats can consume a large number of insects in a single night, helping control insect populations. Pollinators and seed dispersers. Certain bat species play a crucial role in pollination and seed dispersal for various plants. They help spread seeds over long distances and contribute to ecosystem diversity. Longevity. Bats can live relatively long lives compared to other small mammals. Some species can live up to 20–30 years or more in the wild. Hibernation and migration. Some bat species hibernate during the winter months to conserve energy, while others migrate to warmer regions. Social animals. Many bat species are highly social and form large colonies. Some colonies can consist of thousands to millions of individuals. Vulnerable to habitat loss and disease. Bats face several threats, including habitat destruction, climate change, and emerging diseases like white nose syndrome, which has caused significant declines in some bat populations. Important for the ecosystem. Bats are essential for the balance of ecosystems. They control insect populations, pollinate plants, and contribute to seed dispersal, playing a critical role in maintaining biodiversity. Unique adaptations. Some bats have unique adaptations, such as the vampire bat's ability to feed on blood or the fishing bat's specialized feet for catching fish on the water's surface. Overall, bats are essential and intriguing creatures that contribute significantly to the natural world. Bats can live more than 30 years and can fly at speeds of 60 miles per hour. In fact, University of Tennessee researchers found that the Mexican free-tailed bat could reach speeds up to 100 miles per hour, making it by far the fastest mammal on Earth. Bats can find their food in total darkness. Not all bats are nocturnal, but those that can locate insects to eat by emitting inaudible high-pitched sounds, 10–20 beeps per second, and listening to echoes. This is called echolocation. Bats can eat up to 1,200 mosquitoes an hour. Often, bats consume their body weight in insects every night, helping keep bug populations in check. More than half of the bat species in the United States are in severe decline or listed as endangered. In addition to loss of habitat, one of the most dire threats comes from white nose syndrome, a disease that has decimated bats in the US and Canada. The Nature Conservancy collaborated on a white nose syndrome breakthrough. Bats were treated with a common bacterium that seems to stop the growth of the white nose fungus and were then successfully released back into the wild. Bats can also survive freezing temperatures, even after being encased in ice. Pallid bats eat scorpions. Pallid bats appear to be immune to scorpion stings, even from the most venomous scorpion in North America, the Arizona bark scorpion. Up to 70% of a pallid bat's diet can be scorpions at certain times of the year. Bat droppings, called guano, are one of the richest fertilizers. Bat guano was once a big business. Guano was Texas' largest mineral export before oil. In fact, Austin is a seasonal home to North America's largest urban population of Mexican free-tailed bats, which live beneath the Congress Avenue Bridge. Approximately 1.5 million bats reside there. The world's largest bat is the flying fox, which lives on islands in the South Pacific. The flying fox bat has a wingspan of up to 6 feet. In contrast, the world's smallest bat is the bumblebee bat of Thailand, which is smaller than a thumbnail and weighs weighs less than a penny. Baby bats are called pups. Most bats have only one pup a year. Bat mothers can find their babies among thousands or millions of other bats by their unique voices and scents. Having only one pup a year makes bats extremely vulnerable